This one is going to be a very simple lab. So we are going to create a application which would basically translate to different languages, right? And in this, we are going to use a Microsoft library for translator for the data. So it's by default available. It's integrated it with the Power Apps, and so we can easily use it. So let's start. So let's start with creating a blank application, and we are going to name it translator, right? There are so many translators are available in the market, and today we are going to create ours. So I'll name it translator. Okay. Now here, first of all, we need to provide uh, two input boxes, right? One is where the data, like we will put the input, and the other is where we'll get the output, right? So we'll put side by side. And so let's, and can I duplicate it? So here are two input and output, one for the input and one for the output. So this one, let's put it English. Whatever you put in English would be translated into this box, right? So we have two boxes. Now we need a box which would select what language we are going to, what language we want to connect, right? So that is going to be list, right? So we'll select input. Mm, I need a drop down actually. Yeah. Or we can keep it like this. Now in this drop down, we would need different languages that we can enable to connect. For that, I have to initiate, bring our translator. Okay. So let's simply connect. So I don't have a subscription key, uh, but I know in my account I have a E5 subscription license already. Okay. So this one is added and close it now. Now I have data. Now this one I need to connect to uh, the Microsoft translator that the soft translator languages. So whatever language I have it in there I should be able to see this. So let's try, like these are the languages, right? So AR is Arabic, en in English, but I don't think it is very user friendly. Maybe we have to change it. So we can go to the name, and the value is not code, but let's make it name, right? Now I can see the complete name there, right? So let's check. Yes. So you press Alt in your keyboard and click here, then you would be able to see all this. Like you would be not just this, any button that you want to check how it is working, press Alt in your keyboard and then try to click on that button. And finally, we need a button here. So let's add a button, right? And make it translate. Yeah. So you put input here and then you click on this translate. It should be translating. So let's select here and then on select to text. So what would happen when we select click on translate? I need a formula. So my formula is ready. Let me select. We have to set it. Yeah, here is my formula. Right, so it says that you have to translate from what in this picker, whatever language is there, right? And from English, you have to translate it to here. Yes, to here, to English, right? Okay, what is wrong with you? Translate, picker. Okay, let's wait for some time because this one is not yet we have explained. So what we are going to do, we'll make it word translate. So where we want to get it translated. Okay, something is not right. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so our formula is not working. Here are two important components, translated, then English, and then picker. So this one is picker, okay, and this one is translated. So actually that's the problem here because this should be word translated, right? Okay, default I will leave it like that. And so basically it went other way around. So it says translated. Okay, so I think it's still the error. It's showing up here. Picker. Picker is this. All right. So, okay, sorry. This is the mistake. I should have renamed it Picker. I thought I did. Now it should take off the errors, right? Now it can recognize the picker. Now what is the error here? Is were translated. Name is not valid. It should be, so what is the here? Uh, should I put it like this? Might be fine. Let me try this again. Word translated. Should be good. Looks like good to me. So let's go ahead and try again. So I say hello, good morning. What happens when I translate? Yeah, great. What if I translate it in, okay, Spanish? Wonderful. How about Japanese? French? Okay, this is going to be fun, right? So this is our application. Now it is ready. We can save it and then we can share it. And if you like, you can check it on from your mobile phone as well. So save, then publish,